Imagine a system, a well-oiled machine, that consistently earns money for you, day in and day out. A system that works even while you sleep, generating income while you rest and recharge. Or allows you to indulge in your favorite pastimes like binge-watching Netflix without sacrificing your earning potential. Sounds impossible? A pipe dream perhaps? Not anymore. In 2025, we're living in an era where powerful tools, once exclusively reserved for tech elites and large corporations, are now readily accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The secret to unlocking this potential? It lies in combining the power of affiliate marketing with the cutting-edge capabilities of AI. This potent combination allows us to automate a significant portion of the process of making money online. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is remarkably simple. You recommend a product or service, and you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Now, with the advent of AI, we can automate content creation, generating engaging and informative articles and posts, product recommendations, ensuring the right products reach the right audience, and even precise audience targeting, maximizing the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. You don't need to be a social media star with millions of followers or spend years painstakingly building a dedicated audience from scratch. Instead, we're focused on building a quiet yet powerful, automated content machine that diligently works in the background 24/7. This machine focuses on guiding people to the solutions they need and in turn, earning you a steady stream of passive income. So let's break down exactly how you can set this up for yourself, step by step, and start building your own automated income stream. Let's explore how the dynamic world of affiliate marketing and the cutting-edge capabilities of artificial intelligence are merging to create powerful opportunities. We'll uncover how these two forces work together. Let's say you have a genuine passion for coffee, and through your exploration, you discover a truly exceptional coffee machine that elevates your daily brew. With affiliate marketing, you get a special link, a unique identifier tied to you. If someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission as a thank you for the referral. Now imagine AI creating compelling content, crafting informative articles about the best coffee machines on the market, highlighting their features and benefits. AI can even assist in writing detailed reviews and producing engaging videos, all in a matter of minutes, significantly speeding up the content creation process. AI tools can generate high-quality blog posts, engaging video scripts, captivating social media content, and eye-catching graphics, multiplying your reach and impact effortlessly across various platforms. Each piece of content acts as a digital salesperson, tirelessly promoting your chosen products. It's working around the clock, 24/7, to bring in those valuable commissions. Instead of constantly trading your precious time for money, you're strategically building digital assets that have the potential to earn passively over time. With the power of AI, you can scale up your efforts, publishing a multitude of engaging content pieces on a daily basis, rather than being limited to just one piece of content per week. This is how you strategically create a hands-off, scalable income stream, perfectly positioned for success in 2025 and beyond. Here's your 3-step blueprint, a simple yet powerful strategy for lazy income. It's designed to generate revenue while requiring minimal ongoing effort. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your lazy income strategy. Think finance, tech gadgets, areas where people are actively seeking information and solutions, business software, or luxury hobbies. Consider markets with high-value products or services. Focus on what pays well and has demand. A hungry market is essential for success. Step 2. Use AI to create helpful content. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence to streamline content creation. That answers questions in your niche. Address common pain points and provide valuable insights. Generate articles, reviews, or short videos, offering diverse content formats to cater to different preferences. Then add your affiliate links. This is how you monetize your content and earn commissions. Step 3. Publish your content. Get your content out there where your target audience can find it. Start a blog, post on YouTube. These platforms offer excellent reach and visibility, or share on social media. Expand your reach and engage with your audience on various platforms. Faceless videos and AI-generated posts work great. You don't need to be on camera or spend hours writing. Consistency is key. Regular content creation is crucial for building momentum. Aim for one new piece of content daily. Even short, simple posts can make a difference. Each post is another chance to earn. Every piece of content is a potential revenue stream. Not every piece will hit, some content will perform better than others, but the more you publish, the better your odds. Increase your chances of success by consistently creating content. Over time, you'll have a library of content, a valuable asset that generates passive income, all working to bring in traffic and commissions. Your content will act as a magnet, attracting potential customers. Do the work once, create the content, and set up the system, and let it pay you for months or years. Enjoy the long-term benefits of your initial efforts. This is true passive income, earning money even while you sleep. Set it up and let the system run. Automate your income and enjoy the freedom it provides. The best part? With AI, you can achieve all of this with less effort than ever before. The workload is lighter than ever. AI tools can handle many of the tasks that used to be time-consuming. Start small, stay consistent, focus on building a solid foundation, and watch your income grow. Witness the power of compounding as your efforts pay off over time. Let's see what your first paycheck could look like. Imagine the possibilities and start building your lazy income empire today. Let's talk real numbers. Suppose you pick home office gear and join affiliate programs for chairs and webcams. You publish one AI-generated post or video daily, 30 in your first month. At first you might earn just $50 or $100, but that's proof the system works. By month 3, with 90 pieces of content, you could be earning $20, $50 a day, $600 to $1,500 a month, mostly passive. Fast forward a year, 365 plus assets, thousands of daily visitors, and $1,000 a day becomes possible. It's all about traffic, conversion, and commission. Start small, stay consistent, and let the results compound. With AI and persistence, exponential growth is within reach. You have the blueprint now, it's your turn. Combine affiliate marketing with AI, pick your niche, create content, and publish. Here's a bonus. Repurpose your content. Turn a blog post into a video, social graphics, or a Twitter thread to multiply your reach. Don't get stuck overthinking. Start with an imperfect plan and improve as you go. Your first content won't be perfect, but your 100th will be great. Consistency is your secret weapon. Take action. Choose your niche this week. Publish your first AI-generated piece tomorrow. The system works. The only variable is you. For more tips on building passive income, subscribe. Now go get started.